legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
So you're ready to be a trader, huh? What is the very first thing that I recommend that you do? Whew, all right. All right, this is tough, man. I think the very first thing that you should do is become spiritually in tune with yourself. And by that, I mean by praying, meditation, whatever you do to get yourself calm. I would say tap into that, because this is going to be a journey. Anybody who's told you that making money in the market is this easy thing to do, is a 0-step process, they lied to you. It's going to be a lot of ups and downs. It's going to be a lot of challenges. And before you embark on that type of journey, I recommend that you become more spiritually inclined. And that's what I would do on day one. Yeah.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be